Hi, I'm Miller and today I'm going to show you how to speak straight from the editor. It's very straightforward to use, so first click on Add a new discussion topic. Okay, we'll scroll down and you can see two areas with exclamation marks. They are required. So type something in subject area. For example, how to speak straight from the editor. Okay. Well, now let's get down to making audios. Well, click this arrow pointing down and you'll get two more icons. Well, this is just a kind of advanced, so it's called Poodle, and we have two mics, this one and this one. So this one is for making short video up to 2 minutes, well, and this is for much longer. So let's try both. Okay, so click mic, click start recording. You see, numbers are changing, it means recording is being made. Okay, then stop, let's stop. Okay, well then you can press play button to check what you have done. You see, numbers are changing, it means recording is being made. Okay, then stop. Okay, just so you've heard my voice, it means everything is okay. So if you are satisfied with your result, you may click on attach recording. If you are not, so you can record again. So I'm okay, I will press attach recording. Okay, 100% completed. Just here we have it, so let's check again. You see, numbers are changing, it means recording is being made. Okay, just it works. Now just let's try the second, more advanced mic. Okay, again click. So click record. Hello, I'm Miller. Hope you are all doing fine. Okay, you see numbers are changing. Yeah, it means that recording is being made, everything is okay. Alright. So you can see green tick, it means something has been recorded. Well, let's check what. Press play button. Hello, I'm Miller. Hope you are all doing fine. Okay, you see numbers are changing. Yeah, it means that recording is being made, everything is okay. Alright. Well, if you don't like it, you may just start again. Just press this button. Well, but the next step is just, if you are okay with that, upload. So it's uploading now. Wait until you see uploaded successfully. Okay, then click insert. And here we have it. So Poodle file. Well, and also let's try video again. So click it. Start recording. Okay, hello. I'm sorry for my background because my flat is now being decorated. Okay, so press stop recording. Well, again, let's check what you have done. Okay, hello. I'm sorry for my background because my flat is now being decorated. Okay, so press stop recording. Well, just if everything is fine, again, just the same procedure, so attach recording. Okay, just we have it. Well, and just the last step, press post to forum. Yeah. Okay. Well, so thanks for your time. Hope it was useful for you. Bye.